Here's a quick trick to show you how to restore your flap wheels. Alright, I've gone most of the way around this. You can see the depth of it. I've done this a few times before, but a little bit of patience, get yourself a knife, cheap pair of scissors. Alright, I'll start in the middle here somewhere. Alright, just going to get your knife. And 1, 2, 3 of these flaps. And on the last one that you just pulled up, get your scissors under, cut that bit off. Now you've got a bit of room. Pry a couple open, get it in a nice rhythm, go around like this. Alright. Then we start cutting, strip away, and again another strip away. You can see very nice new stuff appearing. So just go round. Your thumb might get a bit sore. I don't mind it. But go out, pry them up a bit more if you want. There you go. Keep doing that. And for the cost of it, you'll save yourself a fortune. Alright. Oh, I didn't do that last one, did I? Oh, that one there. So, you can see how you pull it right up. Just go underneath. Trim. That brings them nice back to all new. Okay, they're a bit daggy, but you won't notice that real quick. So you've gone from one extreme to the other. And if you look at the thickness of them, there's a newer one. And if you can tell, I've done this one about 3, I think this is the 3rd time. Alright, good luck. It's definitely worth doing.